Hey y'all. So Terrence is starting a fire. He'll be burning everything from the house. So what are we doing again? Right now,
Don't step in no poop.
my aunt's house. We're having an Italian family dinner.
Italian?
So yeah, I'm making some lasagna stuffed shells, and they're gonna have a lot of food there.
And we cut like the boxes up for like all our appliances.
Why
you still need that? So they can't see what's in the house.
Move and we want to take it, or just for storage.
Yeah, I put up the table. We're gonna put that in the video, the table. TV stand. The TV. What else?
The decoration.
Christmas decoration.
Mistletoe, oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all.
See, we took pictures and everything, so about to insert some pictures right here. Christmas pictures. It's cool. Well, the fire didn't grow much. It used to be big, but it's a little bit on fire today. A little one.
Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Turtle doves and all my favorite things come in sets up too. So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of our childhood memories of Christmas past. Chestnuts on an open fire and another log to make it last. We'll build Frosty the Snowman and dance along with the Christmas band, and then we'll fly like two old lovebirds walking around a winter wonderland. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Send me an extra stocking to hang next to me on the wall. Santa, send me a lot for Christmas.